Hi, good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on your IEPs or the new student bundle. So today is Friday, so we're going to go over addition, and this will be, you guys can find this on pages 15 through 16. So let's go all the way down. So it's right here, this page and this page, okay? Now, let's go ahead and start counting. Before we begin, let's go over our numbers from 1 through 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, let's go ahead and start counting our first math problem. Look at the pineapples. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would circle number 4. Now let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would circle number 6. Let's count the pears. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would circle the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. So you would circle your answer. Now let's go ahead and count the grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I notice we do not have a number 5 here. You can go ahead and write a number 5. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Now let's go ahead and go to the next page. It says, add the cones in each row and circle the correct answer. So it's 1, 2. So you would circle the correct answer on the right side. Now let's count the cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would circle the correct answer. Now, let's count the cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would circle the correct number. Let's continue counting. We're almost done. You guys are doing amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you would circle your answer. And last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you guys are done, go ahead and take a picture and have your parents send us a picture, or if you are able to, upload it to Teams. Have a great day, boys and girls. Enjoy your weekend.